The famous author J.K. Rowling had once told the world, "We are only as strong as united, as weak as we are divided." Ladies and gentlemen, I am Umar Ghazzali from Royal English School, Matale, to speak a few words on the topic of unity among all humans is wonderful. Unity means working together and being connected with others. When people come together and help each other, it creates a feeling of togetherness and harmony. Unity among all humans is such a beautiful thing because it brings people closer and makes the world a better place. Even though we may look different or speak different languages, unity teaches us to respect and appreciate those differences. We have people from different colors, from different religions, and from different races. But unity is formed when we respect and appreciate those differences. Remember, small acts of kindness could make a big difference in someone's life. As we look towards the future, it is clear that unity among all humans is not just a lofty idea, but a practical necessity. In an interconnected world where our actions have global repercussions, collaboration and cooperation are essential for addressing pressing issues such as climate change, poverty, inequality, and injustice. By standing united as one human family, we could create a more sustainable, equitable, and peaceful life for all of us. In conclusion, let us embrace the beauty of unity among all humans with open hearts and minds, and let us celebrate our diversity as well as our strength and inspiration. And let us work hand in hand to build a brighter future for ourselves and many generations to come. Unity among all humans is not just wonderful, it is essential for our life in this planet we call home. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and have a nice day.